everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today, I have my Boxy base box for the month of October. If you guys would like to know what I got in my box, then keep on watching. Hey guys, so I just finished filming me unboxing my Boxycharm premium box for the month of October. If you want to see what I got in that video, I'll link it down below. That was the last video that I just recently posted. I'll have it down in the description or down below. So if you guys want to see what I got in that box, just go down below and click on the link and it'll send you to that video. This is the base box. I'm excited to see if the base box is better than the premium box. Sometimes the base box outdoes the premium box. I will say I had a bomb premium box. I loved everything in my box. So let's see if I'm going to love everything from the base box. Before I show you guys what I got though, quickly, I just want to introduce myself to anyone new to my channel. My name is Aisha. I love all things beauty related. I love makeup subscription boxes. This is a makeup subscription box channel. So you're going to see a lot of that on this channel, but I love makeup. So you're going to see a lot of makeup hauls on this channel as well, or just makeup collection videos because Aisha loves makeup, hence the name of my YouTube channel. So, if this is things you're interested in, just like me, if you're a makeup lover just like me, then I'd say please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Become a part of my YouTube family. I love my YouTube family. You guys, we're going strong. I just started in March, and I think I have right now 444 subscribers, so I'm almost up to 500 subscribers. I will be doing a giveaway when I hit 500 subscribers, and I will be doing another giveaway when I reach 1,000. So giveaways when I hit the benchmarks that I'm trying to achieve. So the next giveaway will be very soon. Obviously, it's going to be for people who subscribe to my channel because that's the whole point of giving back and showing my love to you guys. I have a lot of stuff that I have that I'm dying to give away. So stay tuned for that because I'm almost at 500 subscribers, which I cannot even believe. When I started my channel in March, like, I mean, look at me now. I'm almost close to 500. So I really do appreciate the support. And thank you guys for everyone who's, always commenting on my videos, giving me, thumbs up and who subscribe. It means more to me than you'll ever know. I'm still like in shock that I started a channel because I really wanted to start a channel like 10 years ago. And I just kept delaying it. And I'm like, all right, it's now or never. Am I going to do this or am I not going to do it? And I just did it, and there's no looking back. So thank you guys so much for making me feel good for starting my channel. Alrighty, without further ado, let's see what I got in my box. Alrighty, so this is what it looks like when you open the Boxy base box. This is the card that we get. The card has like nice little candies on them. It was same as a premium box. A premium box looks just, card looks just like that. It tells you everything you got on in your box. So this is a sneak peek. Alrighty, let's see what's inside. Alrighty, so I'll start off with the big item first. Anyone new to Boxycharm, this box retails for $25. This is the palette that I got from Beauty Bakerie. I do not have too much items from Beauty Bakerie. I did do a Beauty Bakerie mystery box that I got, and if you guys want to see that, I'll link it down in the description below. I love mystery boxes, so any mystery box makeup related, I tend to get. And when I saw that they had a mystery box, I definitely got it just because I didn't have any of her products. If you guys want to see what I got in it, like I said, I'll link it down below. I'll also link down my, I hit my hat here, my little Halloween hat. I'll also link down my mystery box playlist because I don't know about you guys, but I love watching mystery boxes, unboxing, and seeing. I just love the mystery. I think that's why I love makeup subscription boxes. But nevertheless, this is a palette that I got. It says Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette. So it's in a little sleeve. So let me see, can I get it out? Okay, it does not want to come out the sleeve. So I'm going to have to rip it. I can never get them out the sleeves. Maybe it's just me. That's what it looks like. Alrighty, so there's no mirror, unfortunately, which stinks because when I get ready in the morning, I like to do my makeup right from the palette. I don't know how I'm feeling about the shadows. It's looking a little dusty to me, but I've never tried her eyeshadows before, so actually, I'm lying. I got an eyeshadow palette, I want to say from my Fun box, and I didn't really like the shadow pigmentation, to be honest. I didn't think it was very pigmented, a little dusty, but maybe this one will be a little bit different, so I have to try it and see, so stay tuned if you guys want to know. I'm going to start doing first impression videos on, like, products that I get from my, all of my subscription boxes. Because I try them normally, like, when I get ready for work, I'll just try, like, a new palette from one of my subscriptions. Or I'll try, like, a new, you know, whatever, eyeliner, whatever I've been getting. But maybe you guys want to see, like, for real live first impressions. Let me know in the description down below if that's something that you guys would be interested in watching. This palette retails for $38. The box was only $25, so right off the bat, just paid for the box. Alrighty, the next thing I got here is a Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Full Coverage Concealer. I did try this. I did choose this item. It was hard to pick a color from online. They had a lot of darker shades available. All the lighter shades were pretty much taken, but they had a lot of darker shades. So I said, let me try to see if I can match and get my shade. So I'm curious to see. Let's see here. I'm going to do a little swatch of Ruby on the back of my hand. Oh no, this looks a little, for concealer, this is definitely going to be too dark for me. Let me try a little on and see what it will look like. Let's see if I have something with a mirror on it. Yes, I do. Alrighty, so let's see here. I'm going to put a little, this looks dark. This is too dark for me, but I'm going to just put it by my chin. Yeah, you see? Oh man, it's too dark. It's dark and it looks orange. I put it right here. So that's a bummer. I'm sad. It looked light online already. I'm going to take this off. Got some in my hair. All right, so let me take this off. It looked a lot lighter on online. So this is probably the last time I'm going to probably buy a makeup item. Not buy, but choose a makeup item because clearly I can't tell from online what will be a good shade for me. That came out, that was all wrong. The shade was all wrong. No bueno. And I can't even use it. Like sometimes I'll use a concealer for just like my face in certain areas with like a translucent powder. But this is even like darker than my skin tone, and it's not. Yeah, it's not working. So sad about that. This retails for. Did you guys choose a concealer? Did it match your skin tone? Let me know in the comments down below. This concealer was $24. It says that this concealer is multitasking. It's full coverage. It's a full coverage concealer, lightweight, easy to blend. It conceals dark under eye circles, blemishes, and other skin imperfections. Alrighty. So far, 2 makeup items. The next thing I got is an Ace Beauty Draw It Lip Liner. And you get 2 liners in here. So one of them is very light right off the bat. Let me swatch. Yeah, this is very light. It barely even shows on the back of my hand. Very light. But I may be able to use this in my kit because I still do freelance work. So I definitely will be able to use these in my kit. Like this one I could use myself. The red. The red is pretty. Love the red. The red is nice. I can use this, but the other lip liner is a no-go. So I'm bummed about as you can see, like the liner is way too light for me. It's like, why would you give such a light color and then a bright color? Like, I can't make it up. But anyway, I'll just add it to, actually I can't add it to the things I'll give away because I already swatched it, but I'll keep this, I'll put this in my kit that I have, that I can use for my clients. So things don't go to waste because I am, obviously, if you guys know a little history about me, I've been in the beauty community for a very long time. And obviously, I've been doing makeup for a long time. If you look at my Instagram, you can see that I work for MAC Cosmetics, Bobbi Brown Cosmetics. I work for a array of brands. So it won't go to waste. I promise you that. Then I got a Luxie brush set. It comes with this cute little brush bag to hold them. Did I tell you guys the price? The price of the lip liners was $16. This brush set retails for 40 bucks. I love the packaging. Like if you want to bring your brushes with you on a go, I love that it comes with the case. Ooh, very nice. Luxie. I love Luxie brushes. This may be I'm going to keep this like maybe like in my car if I ever want to like touch up my makeup or something. I have brushes for the car. Love the rose chrome. Very nice, very nice. You guys know I love brushes. Brushes, makeup wipes, anything pink, anything girly, skulls, a few things that Aisha loves, and makeup. Sometimes skincare. So this is what it looks like. Very pretty. I think this was my favorite thing that I got in this box so far. Very excited for this. So I think I'm going to keep, or maybe this will be like my makeup bag, travel brushes. I mean, I really honestly and truly don't like ever touch up like my eye makeup once I leave the house. I feel like I don't have to. I normally use a base, so I shouldn't have to use primers. I mean, I shouldn't have to touch up, but this would probably be like if I forget to do my makeup and I'm like trying to do it on a go type of thing. Very excited for this. Alright, so the next thing I got is this Symbiosis London Tightening and Resplendent Eye Mask. Sorry. This is what it looks like. And this retails for $93. Wow, 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 wow. A revolutionary innovation in the beauty market in the form of an eye mask. In cream to tighten, rejuvenate, and brighten the delicate eye area. This eye mask is fortified with hyaluronic acid, as well as shea butter, and also works to visibly reduce puffiness and appearance of fine lines and dark circles. Very interesting. Very interesting. So I have a lot of skincare, so your girl is not going to keep this. This is going into the box of giveaways, so somebody will definitely enjoy that. So let's see what I got. I got these brush sets in the bag. I got a Beauty Bakerie palette. I got 2 lip liners. I got a concealer. And I got a eye mask. I never tried an eye mask before. Maybe I should keep this. I have to think about this. So these are all the items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 items. Unless you want to count the brushes separately and the pencils separately, then it will be more. But I'm trying to decide if I like this better than my Boxy Premium box. Let me think about this for a second. Let me take a peek because I just finished filming. Whenever I get all my new stuff, I put it in this little bin. I think I like my premium box better this month. those are things that I have to try. All my new goodies for my last unboxing. I think I like my premium box better, but I definitely do like this box. I'm definitely bummed that this shade, it looks light, but this is like, I'm like an olive undertone. This is giving you red undertone. So it's not gonna look good for me. Maybe if I'm tan, but I mean, it's October, so I'm not getting any, who am I fooling? I'm not getting any sun, so I have to keep this for my kit as well. So they don't ever, anything never goes to waste. I could always use them in my kit for when I do my freelance work. So with that being said, this is the ending of my video. If you guys liked my video, give me a thumbs up. If you guys love me and you want to support me, and you're not subscribed, I would say subscribe. And if you do subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll know each and every time I upload a new video. And that's really about it. Make sure you thumbs up. And I'll see you guys all in my next unboxing. I have lots of boxes here. I think I'm going to do my Ipsies. I got all of my Ipsies. The Ipsy Standard. I got my Ipsy Ultimate. No, this is my Ipsy Plus. And I have my, hold on there. Hold on. Ipsy Ultimate. So I got all my Ipsy stuff. So I'll probably do those next. I have my Look Fantastic. I have a lot of boxes over here. So there's never a dull moment when I'm off. It's never going to be a boring moment because I can always do some unboxing or unbaggings for you guys. So stay tuned for that. I think I'm going to do my Ipsy unbaggings next on my channel. So stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. We're almost at 500. Let's get to 500. As soon as I get to 500, I'm going to be doing my giveaway and giving more details about that. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys to pieces. I'll see you guys all in my next video.